3-liter straight six in the Ram RHO is a twin-turbo powerhouse. The stock cooling system can handle daily driving pretty well, but as you start to push your truck, towing, hauling, or off-roading, your transmission fluid temperatures can rise. That's why we engineered this performance transmission cooler. It features a 60% larger core and 25% increase in fluid capacity when compared to the stock cooler. It also has tube and fin construction with internal fins for maximum heat dissipation in a confined space. We tested this cooler to the limit to ensure that it keeps your transmission fluid in the optimal temperature range, even when operating under the heaviest loads. This cooler also features a durable powder-coated finish to protect against corrosion and make sure that it can stand up to whatever the trail has to throw at it. It's fully compatible with both OEM and Mishimoto components to ensure seamless integration into your truck's cooling system. We designed this product to be an easy and straightforward installation, using all the stock mounting points and requiring no modification to stock components. You don't even have to remove the grille to install it. It uses quick disconnect fittings, which makes hooking up your lines fast and easy. It also has a removable mounting bracket that makes it easier to install the lines, so you're not fighting for space in a cramped engine bay. There's just a few things to keep in mind before you get started. Take a few minutes to test fit the cooler before tightening all the bolts. This is a good strategy to double check that nothing is chafing against components that might be hot or moving. And as always, before disconnecting any transmission fluid lines, make sure you have a drip pan ready. Once the install is complete, make sure you check the fluid level and top it off if needed. If you're pushing your RHO to the limit, towing, off-roading, or doing any other high-performance work, this transmission cooler gives you the headroom you need to make sure that your truck's operating properly. Like every Mishimoto product, it's backed by our lifetime warranty, so you can install it with confidence and forget about it. If you're interested in learning more about this product, check the link down in the description and make sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.